How to sign up for Dex-Trade. First of all, open Dex-Trade on your device. What you need to do next is click on the menu on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Once you do that, you can find Sign Up right next to Login. Go ahead and tap on Sign Up. The next thing you want to do is write in your email address or password. If you don't want to follow this step, just go ahead and tap on Google or Apple as you can see. Once you tap on it, this page will load up. Go ahead and fill in your information like your Google account or your phone number. After you do that, what you need to do is just go ahead and write down your password. After you do that, tap on Next. Once you're verified, you can easily sign up, and as you can see, the two-step verification is now on process. Go ahead and complete this verification process, and then you can easily sign up for Dex-Trade. So once you're done, just go ahead and tap on Allow, and you can now see that your login profile will be accumulated. So now what you need to do is just go ahead and go to the email. So you can see that there will be a mail. Just go ahead and copy the code from Dex-Trade and go back to the Dex-Trade app. Once you see the code, just go ahead and paste the code. So this process might take some time as it is quite lengthy. So go ahead and paste the code here. Once you do that, you can easily sign in or sign up to your account. Once the verification is done, just go ahead and log into your account. All you need to do is just go ahead and sign in. So what you need to do is go to the menu, click on Login, and write in your email address and your password. So go ahead and do that, sign into your account, and there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.